Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Xiaomi 11T and 11T Pro. Okay, first of all, let me tell you whatever language you have on your phone with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you right now will be always the same. So just follow carefully. So first of all, we will need the settings. So for that, just go here on the second page, and by the default, you should have the settings here at the very first point. If not, look for this app here with this symbol, and if you found them, just enter them. So now we will need to point additional settings. If you scroll down a bit, you should see that gray icon here with 3 white points in it for the additional settings. So tap it, and here we will need the second point, languages and input. And here we will need the first point, languages. Okay, and now you will have a list with all the languages and also sometimes in different dialects and so on. So just choose the language you want to have. Maybe let's take the English language again here with the dialect of India. And after, you go just here on the blue button to confirm. So okay. And now I have here English with the dialect of India on my phone. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.